Alright, first full day in Cusco. Today we're gonna have somebody who's local to this area take us to this hidden waterfall on a beautiful hike. It's a waterfall that basically no tourists know about. It's this really cool place and we're excited to go. Una película. So now we're walking down. It's about 9 kilometers to the waterfall. We are actually currently on an INCA trail.
There are actually a lot of INCA trails around here, but the most famous one is the one that leads to Machu Picchu. We're about 3,600 meters above sea level.
Which is even higher than Cusco.
Yeah.
So we're trying not to get too sick.
So I looked it up about an hour ago when I was in bed with a migraine, taking ibuprofen and Tums at the same time, and I found out that Lima was 500 feet above sea level, Puerto Maldonado was 600 feet, and here in Cusco it's 11,152 feet above sea level. So that means that our bodies are telling us that, why are we doing this to ourselves?
I'm going through the thick of it right now. She went through the thick of it an hour ago.
Yeah.
It's bad. It feels bad. So that up there, that is a sacred site. For Las Incas, see? See?
Reconstrucción. Cultivar. Entonces.
How are you enjoying the hike so far?
It's beautiful and I'm honestly feeling great. I was a little worried that the altitude would get to us, but it's awesome.
So we're walking down this mountain valley all the way down to there. Then we're gonna walk way back up. I don't know if you can hear, but there's a waterfall there. So the route, the INCA trail that we're walking on right now was historically used to trade potatoes from up there in that mountain town for corn down there in that valley. Mm-hmm. So that's the history of the trail we're walking on.
Se llama tarwi. Para comer esto tiene un largo proceso.
So these potatoes were farmed by her father in the mountains surrounding Cusco.
Pero estos son casi.
Walking alongside an irrigation canal. This place is amazing.
This has got to be one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to.
just took a super crazy moto taxi ride to this town of Urquios, and now we're gonna catch a public bus back to Cusco. Made it back to the city center of Cusco. So answer me this: how are these Incas supposed to actually successfully walk the Inca Trail when they walk like that? That's not the right way to walk.
So man, like I found it pretty difficult when I tried.
All right, to cap off this fantastic day, we are going to go to the local market to get some groceries. Wow, that was an incredible hike. First of all, the beautiful mountains and valleys and waterfall, and the beautiful field with those beautiful farmhouses. Never gonna forget that hike. All right, see you tomorrow.